A very quick update on net gas, gold, silver and crude oil, starting with natural gas. So what do we have right here? Price has just broke below the level of trend continuation zone. But let me show you what I've said in my last video so that you can understand the conditions and entries. Bullish engulfer that happened above 50 EMA. Now the price is still in the area of value, the recent resistance that has now turned support, and after that we had a condition like bullish engulfer. That is one of my entry condition. We have pin bar as well. So I'm still expecting a price to push up at least 1 ATR, which is 5 from the close of this candle. Let's say you entered here, 5 points will be your take profit initially, and then price can still push up. If you are managing it, manage it till the recent high right here. It's up to you. Nice one. So price just hit our take profit, even though it pushed up more than 1 ATR. It pushed up around 8 points and then it pushed back down, and if you would have managed it, you would be out in break even. If you would have taken your profit, that is some good chunk of profit in your account. And I've already sent these zones to my members and told them that we had a conditions right as you can see on the screen, and now I'm expecting some bounce. And if you follow me from couple of months and couple of years, you know the way I take my initial targets, which is always 1 ATR for commodities. Now at this point, price has just broke below 50 EMA. We had a good momentum with this big red candle, and now we can see a possible pullback followed by bearish engulfer. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to look for sell trades. Now remember that I won't be taking full reversal trades. I'll be taking some chunks of sell trade exactly like I took here for buy trade. Looking at the fact, price is still above 50 EMA and still in an uptrend on daily time frame. So that is why if I see a condition, clear condition, which is a pullback that happened below 50 EMA followed by bearish engulfer, I'll still go short. So the zone that is broken, it is 2.707 goes up to 2.797. So I'll use this zone as my resistance. Now we can still get one more red candle and then a possible pullback, and then we might get another reason to enter sell trade. So that is how we're going to enter our trades. From now, I'm just looking for my sell opportunities with conditions only. Very important. I won't be entering sell trade just by looking at this red candle has broken below. I want to see a good pullback followed by bearish engulfer with a retest of this zone above, or with a pullback followed by bearish candle. So that is what I'm looking at, and I'll only go 1 ATR for my target. ATR is a number right up there. If you want to see that, go 1 ATR for your stop loss and take profit. And again, I will not enter my trades if I see no condition. If we have a condition for sell, we'll go sell. If you have a, let's say we have a dramatic push up, break above 50 EMA, then we have a change of trend, and then we start to look for buy trades. And remember the rule, when the price is below 50 EMA we go sell trade, when above 50 EMA we go buy trade, and it depends if the price hit the major area of value. In that case, even though if the price is below 50 EMA, we are still good to go long. So that is how the rules are, and we need to follow the rules. Next one we have capital.com. Price is still in the level of trend continuation zone but broken below 50 EMA. So now I want to see a pullback. If we have a pullback and that rejects 50 EMA followed by bearish engulfer, in that case we are good to go short, and I will only use 1 ATR for my target. Like I said, I won't be taking very big targets. Looking at the fact, price is still above 50 EMA and 20 EMA, and we can still get a push up again. So that is why I'll be very cautious to take my trades, and I'll only use ATR if I get a condition. For now, wait with patience. We already have a good winning trade, and we don't have to be in a trade all the time. Once we have a conditions, we are good to go short or long. All we need is patience. Next one we have gold. Gold is now in the level of major area, and now as you can see has touched the rejection zone right here. I've mentioned in my last few videos we have a rejection zone. If on daily time frame we get a bullish engulfer, we have a very strong reversal signal and price will likely to push up. Looking at the fact, price is now in a supply zone. Now let's go back on 4-hour time frame and let's look if we get some good entries. Right here we still do not have any sort of entry condition. For now I'm still looking to see a good bullish engulfing pattern. Now if you remember, I've said that if this candle closed as a 382 candle, that would be an entry, and the way I take my entries using 382 candles or a pin bar few pips above, and in that case the order wouldn't have been hit. As you can see, the price just falls. So from now I'm still looking for my buy trades. Now I'm just waiting for the conditions. Once we have a condition like strong bullish engulfer, we are good to go long. Look for condition on 1 hour for double bottom right here. We can still get a push like something like this. So I'll also look at the double bottom patterns. If we have that, we are good to go long on 1 hour. On 4 hour, look for the same condition, double bottoms or engulfing pattern. Looking at the fact we are now in a buying area. Only look for sell trades if the price completely broke below this green zone, which is 1893.37. Once that happens, the price will massively fall, which is very likely if that happens. Next one, we have silver. Silver has now hit major support, and as you can see, the price has pushed up from this area massively, and we also have an entry condition right here. So we have a good bullish engulfing candle, we have a 382 candle, and if you are taking this trade, keep your stop loss below the rejection zone right here. Go 1 to 1, or if you want to take initial targets, go 180, which is 18 points from here and 18 points a stop loss. So we had a condition before as well, but that wouldn't have been played out. Like I said, stop loss below this rejection zone would be good to have a protection of this buyer's area, so that if the wick goes in between this area, we can have a possible push up against. We can have a likely push up from silver from here. Next one, we have crude oil. Crude oil is now broken below the level of support. So what we have, we are now going to look for sell trades only. We had a good condition for buy, and that was a good trade, and since then we did not get any sort of condition. We were waiting for the price to give us some sort of bullish condition within this pullback, which we did not get. From now, I'm only expecting some pullback that must be below 50 EMA, followed by bearish engulfer. If we have one more red candle, we'll have a very good conditions to take sell trade, and then a possible pullback from here, and a retest of the zone that has been broken, which is 81.38, goes up to 83.24, which will now turn resistance that can push the price lower. From now, I'm just looking for sell trades with conditions only. Remember, if there is no conditions, we are not going to enter the trade. If the price dramatically push up, broke below 50 and 20 EMA, and then I'll start to look for my buy trades. So all I need is my reason to enter trades. Once we have a reason, from now I just want to look for sell condition. Once we have a sell condition, we are good to go short. So that's it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to ASAP. If you're getting value out of my videos, do not forget to hit the like button for me. If you're new, hit the subscribe button so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green the rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.